everyone, it's Gianna Lum at Convincing Crypto, where we keep you in the loop on all the latest trends and news on crypto and blockchain technology. Today, I have a super exciting update for the Cardano community. A big partnership just happened. As always though, this video is not an endorsement for any project on Cardano in any way. Please do your own research before investing in anything. Alright, let's dive into the news today. Here's the tweet. Emergo, the commercial arm of the Cardano blockchain, tweeted, Emergo is proud to announce a strategic partnership with Ibex, the corporate innovation arm with Antler Global, one of the world's most active early-stage investors. Ibex is a new initiative designed as a sector-specific innovation and investment platform. It aims to assist corporates in transforming their approach to technological development by fostering collaborations with startups. Our collaboration will focus on identifying, investing in, and driving the growth of global founders and startup projects, solving critical real-world problems, leveraging fintech and Web3, addressing key industry challenges, and fostering the consistent development of commercial Web3 solutions, and building a robust financial technology stack that's interoperable with Cardano and other Web3 technologies. So congrats to Emergo and Ibex on this big collaboration. I think it'll really get founders in the Web3 space, and Cardano will really level up from this. I hope this information was helpful for you. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And as always, if you see any crypto scams in the comments or in the ads, please report them. There's so many fake airdrops, fake giveaways, and people pretending to be financial advisors, and we've got to make sure everybody in the crypto community remains safe. That's it for us today. Feel free to like, subscribe, comment your thoughts. Feel free to share this with your friends who love this content, and I'll see you next time, everyone. Bye!